If you want to get a new Petanet account for yourself, just go to the page peda.net. Then choose your language from the globe above. We choose English and we save changes. Then go login and register a new account. If you are less than 15 years old, click here and fill those information asked and send registration, and shortly you will get an email to address you have given here, and by following those instructions you can get your new Petanet account. If you are 15 years old or older, use this section and you just have to put your email address here and send registration, and shortly you will get this email where are all information needed. And you can also use those external authentication services like Office 365 and Google and Facebook and so on to register a new Petanet account for yourself.